Alright guys, that's the end of the reaction stream, and stay cool and stay advanced.
Let's just do it.
What should I do today? Oh, I know, I'm going to house. Yo, Weeb, wanna play Apex Legends with me, Melody?
Don't you see I'm playing the Wooking?
PS4 sucks! Except for the win, bitch! Nobody cares, go hang yourself.
Well, since we can't play Apex Legends with another player, what else can we do?
Welcome to the world inside your phone.
I don't know.
Hi, do you want to play a game? No! Alright, first, you sign this contract and you agree to the terms so you can't sue me. Alright, first, let's make teams.
I wonder who should join my team.
I'm right next to you now.
I wonder who should join my team.
Now that all the teams are set, it's time for the challenge.
Wait, what challenge? I thought we were gonna play a game.
We are
Silly.
Who's going first?
Hey Melody, go check out one of those bags.
Alright, let's see what's in this bag. Oh, guys, the Fortnite gift card!
Melody, no!
Okay, Lucas, you go first.
Why do I have to go first?
Because this is a very cringy YouTube poop.
If you don't go first, I'll tell everyone your real name.
Oh yeah? Then I'll tell everyone that you were in that embarrassing Spider-Man video.
Found it.
See? Didn't seem that hard.
Alright, there goes 9 points for Team Crusaders. Team Autism, your turn. Alright guys, let's do this. Who's gonna go first? Not me, but Calvin will.
Man, why do I have to go?
Because no one likes you and nobody would care that you died.
Nice, $100.
Calvin, it's gonna explode! Vote in the comments on who should get eliminated.